Hi, it's Mary. Welcome to another video. So sorry. I didn't get this video out in time for Halloween, but I love these really easy to create spell books so much that they're actually going to be on my dresser all year round. Really, really simple to make. I made them in less than 24 hours, so I got them ready like literally the night before Halloween. So I was able to actually include them in my Halloween display. You really just need some very basic materials to do this with. First of all, you're going to need some books. I just got hardback books from the charity shop, some foam sheets. I used a hot glue gun, PVA glue and kitchen towel, just the paper kitchen towel, then acrylic paint. I had black and I mixed together a couple of different metallic colours to get the exact colour that I wanted. The books that I chose from the charity shop are just autobiographies. They're not kind of any kind of classic literature. If you want to protect the pages, just wrap them in cling film. I did that because I didn't want to destroy the books. I'm never going to read two of them, but that's fine. First of all, take the sleeve off, the paper sleeve, and then what I did is cut out some foam pieces. So I had the corner pieces and the sun and moon and skull and crossbones and stuff, and also added different embellishments using hot glue. So the titles on the spine I wrote with hot glue, which is really hard to do, and the third book I added a few little bits with hot glue as well. I tore the kitchen paper into single ply sheets, mixed a little bit of water and PVA glue together, painted it all over the books and just stuck pieces of kitchen towel all over it. Don't try and smooth this out. The wrinklier the better this looks. It looks a bit weird when you just see it like this, but once they're painted it looks really good. So cover that over the top of everything and let that dry fully. I think mine dried within about 2 or 3 hours. So once they dried, I just went in and painted everything black, and once you paint it black you can suddenly see the embellishments on the spine and the writing kind of really show up, but that's going to show up more when we do the next step. The bat I didn't glue on at this stage. I did that afterwards because I wanted to paint it separately. So at this stage I just went in and dry brushed. I had silver and I had a kind of bronzy colour that I added a little bit of gold to. Excuse me, and just using a combination of a sponge, which you kind of dab most of the paint off and just roughly spread it around, and it just picks up on all the texture. So don't worry about the corners and the spine because you're going to paint those separately, but just go all over the book. Don't cover it, just make sure you've got a lot of texture there. Once you've done that, I wanted to go in and actually paint the corners and all of the features. So I did that, and I also went around all the hot glue features on the spine and actually painted that in as well, just using the metallic paints. You can see the clasp there. There's one of the hot glue badges that I had left over from my potion bottles project, and that looked really good. So I painted the titles and the features, added a little foam sheet there to kind of make a clasp. 2 of them I actually, with the pages closed, painted the whole lot silver and gold, so they're now kind of glued together. The third book I might actually read that. I think Gokwan's lovely, so I didn't actually paint the pages of that until after I've read the book. So it's up to you. You can either do that or not. I think they turned out really well. That's pretty much it. That's all there was to it. I think just stacked up like this, they looked really good. You can do anything. You can write any words that you want. You can put any embellishments you want. This was really me just testing the technique, and I was so impressed with how they came out. I'm really not that good at writing with hot glue, it turns out, but I think overall the effect worked really well, and they do look like old leather books. So I definitely want to go in and make more of these. I loved these so much I couldn't bear to put them in the loft, so I actually put them with some of a selection of the potion bottles that I made. I'll link the video for you to watch that. I'll put a card up there and one in the description box. But yeah, that's how great they look on the shelf with the potion bottles. Super easy to make. So please have a go at making these, and I hope you found this video useful. Bye for now. See you in another video.